Hi, this is Jess from Opticare. Welcome back to the Like No One Else video campaign series. Today's topic is the previous pair matters. Really quite a lot. Oftentimes when a patient returns unhappy with their new lenses, it's really easy to focus on the new prescription alone. However, having a look at the previous pair can really give us some valuable clues. Things like what was the previous lens design, what were the corridor lengths, what was the frame size and shape, and what were the fitting heights. And I guess most importantly, was the patient happy with their previous pair? Because even when the new prescription is correct, a change in prescription or lens design or frame geometry or fitting position can really change the way the patient experiences their vision. Sometimes the issue is not that the lens is wrong, it's just that it's so different to what the patient has previously adapted to. Where possible, have a look at the old pair before ordering the new one. Understand what's worked, what hasn't worked, and also what's changed. This information can really help guide your lens selection, your frame choice, and all your troubleshooting. At Opticare, we often ask for the previous spectacles when assisting with a difficult case because it gives us information that the prescription alone can't. Sometimes the best clue to the new pair is sitting in the old one.